Hey guys, this is Corey with Funtown RV of Amarillo, and today we're going to take a look at the 2024 Forest River Salem Model 29 View. This particular trailer comes in at 8,300 pounds, as we see here equipped today, and is going to be 34 feet 10 inches in overall length. Now this is another one of the View series, so you automatically get the fiberglass sidewalls in a trailer that normally has aluminum sided construction. But this is also their hidden bunk room version of the View series. So I think you're really gonna like this one, but let's go ahead now and we'll jump on to the inside. All right guys, so we're standing on the inside of this 29 View from Salem. And if you've seen these before, this flips the whole RV industry on its head because you don't have a traditional living area. So one of their claims to fame is all of these massive windows. I don't know the approximate square feet of these, but it's just something crazy. Over 150 square feet of windows. Now, all of these windows mostly face your campsite. You're going to have the roll down blackout shades, and they're all heavily tinted, plus you get two 15K ACs to be able to keep this big sucker cool. Now you have kind of this double chaise lounge area here. We'll take a look at the storage here in just a moment, and this will drop down into a bed, as you can see in the video, that pops up. So you can sleep a couple more extra guests. Now right here, you're gonna have your solar charge controller, both of your AC or your thermostats for your AC and your heat, your slide out awning controls, and your lighting controls, and your water pump control. Plus this puts all of your lights on a dimmer switch, which is really cool. That way you can dim the lighting down for movie time. Now if we take a seat over here at on the chaise lounge, you can see you're directly across from the entertainment center. So you've got your spot for a TV, your sound bar that will control the indoor and outdoor speakers, and then you've got your 5200 BTU electric space heater fireplace. No carpet in these Salem Views. Now they do use in-floor ducted heating in the full Salems, and that's just because these do have the enclosed and forced air heated underbelly. Now as we go back here again, you've got massive windows, and you don't have a traditional dinette, so you have 4 bar stools here that can this is your primary eating area. And of course, again, big windows. Plus over here, you have that little hole there, so you can use this as more like a mobile workstation or something. All of your countertops are going to be a true solid surface countertops. Great outlet placement there. And I'm sure you've got some back over here. Yeah, right there. So great spot there. There's your breakers and fuses right there. Now if we start opening some of this storage down here, you've got a little bit of storage down there. As we come over here into your main kitchen space, you've got some good storage up there, plus some more good storage back there with a household outlet back there. That's very smart for maybe a small coffee maker. You've got your hood range and microwave up top, 3-burner cooktop with the glass door oven down below. Jumping back up top, you've got great overhead cabinetry space, and I love that they put the shelf in there too. You do have another little toothpick window, and then you have Murphy drawers. So you've got 3 of these full extension plywood box ball bearing drawer guided drawers down here. I'll just open a couple of them so you can see what they look like. And then plenty of room down there for a waste basket. Now over here, you do have your 10.7 cubic foot 12 volt DC compressor driven refrigerator with the freezer up top. Now the cool thing about this can work off of the 190 watt solar panel up on the roof. It'll also work off your truck or shore power. So that is a really nice feature to have, especially for boondocking. Right here, this is going to be your pantry area. So good storage space there. More cabinetry space here, plus you've got your cable and power for your TV area right there. A little more storage here. Now I know we're kind of jumping all over the place, but you do have quite a bit of storage down there, and these do have these neat little totes that I can better show you right here. So they go ahead and give you the totes, so you don't have to get the right size. They're just already built in. And then this over here, that's access to your water pump and winterization area. More outlets over there. Plus you're gonna have the little open cubby hole space here. Little more extra storage right there. Same thing up top here. That's not very deep. And then this in here is a handle. I'm going to see if I can do this one-handed without cutting the camera. But back in your slide out, you have a flip-up desk, massive windows, household and USB outlets, even more windows, and then you've got a couple extra bunks, which is really cool. This right here is a spot to mount that stool, and then this button here is actually for that vent right there. So this has a 12-volt powered fan that will pull the AC back into this room. Now I'm going to say this is a 250-pound rated bunk, plus you have the kind of steps up here, more USB ports and cubbies back there, and then you've got the same thing down here. USB ports, light, window, with even more cubbies built in to here. And I'll just pull one of those out so you can see what that looks like. So this is a really cool concept. I do think this is a game-changing floor plan. Now, as we go up front, love the window here, love the window there. As we go into the bathroom, plastic toilet, but you could always swap that out. These do have a on-demand tankless water heater. There's a light switch for your bathroom. Small little vent fan here, and you've got the skylight up top. Now, if I take a step in here and flip the camera around, you can see I have plenty of room, so you can be upwards of 6'4", 6'5", and still shower in here comfortably. Good width, good depth. Very smart shower placement there. You've got some storage here, storage there, pressed membrane countertops in anywhere except for the kitchen. You've got a electrical outlet there, medicine cabinet, a little more open cubby hole space. And then into the bedroom. This has a king size bed. So it's 66 by 80. You are going to have wardrobes on both sides. Storage up top. And then actually back in here, you've got household and USB ports. And then when the bed is in down mode, you have a couple of CPAP cubbies on each side. Now over here, if I can open it, you do have a laundry chute. You'll have the same thing on this side. Second ducted air conditioner, and they are using the racetrack ducting, so that way you don't have hot and cold spots in your camper. And then back over here, you've got a handy shelf or hanging closet, or you can fit a stackable washer dryer in here, which is really uncommon in a bumper pull. And then here's that bed lift controls. So, all right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for the interior tour of the 29 View. Let's go ahead now. We'll jump onto the outside, take a look at some of the features there. But before we do, I don't want to go ahead and pull the slide out in because this is getting prepped, and they let me have this for a few minutes. So the slide out, it does come all the way into that peninsula there, so you're not getting much in here anyway. Okay guys, so we're on the outside of this Salem 29 View. Up front, you've got your power tongue jack, two 30-pound propane tanks, spot for a battery, and it does come with a battery from the factory. You are gonna have your battery disconnect. Nice, generously sized pass-through storage. You do have some tool storage and a smaller door on the other side, but we'll take a look at that when we get over there. You do have electric stabilizer jacks all the way around, so this button here will do the front two, and then you've got one on the back for the back two. Nice big 20-foot power awning with LED lights. I just forgot to turn those on. You are going to have the 3-step MORryde step above steps, larger entry assist handle, again fiberglass exterior, and then you are going to have the enclosed and forced air heated underbelly. So this is a good 3-season camper for spring, summer, fall. Dual outside speakers. Right here's going to be your freshwater inlet, cable and power for the outside, tandem axle. And then you will have a very nice outside kitchen with a cold water spray port, big griddle, and a mini fridge. There's your furnace. So we come around to the back. Again, there's that instant hot tankless water heater, city water, black tank flush, spare tire, square tubular bumper for your stinky slinky. You are prepped for the Lippert on-the-go ladder and Furrion backup camera if you want to add those. Fully walk-on roof with a 190-watt solar package up top. And then you're going to have your 50-amp service here. Back up here, you're going to have your dumps for both your black, gray, and your galley tanks. And then in here is just the other side of your pass-through storage. So, all right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for the 2024 Salem by Forest River Model 29 View. If you're interested in this bunkhouse or versatile travel trailer, and you would like pricing and availability, I will put a link down below in the video description where you can check that price at any time. You can also give us a call at 806, or you can text me at 833. Let's try this again. You can give us a call at 833-242-1194, or you can email me at Cory.gabel at funtownrv.com. If you prefer to text, I've got one of those too. You can text me at 806-382-6274. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for this one. Before you head out, if you could, hit that like button down below. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe and notification bell. That'll help you stay up to date with all of our latest content we have coming out for you. So again, at Funtown RV, we have the best products, best selection, and best prices around. So we hope to see you out at Funtown RV very soon.